In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Airbnb gift card. Before we get hands-on, let's set expectations. Airbnb gift cards can't be redeemed for cash inside Airbnb, and the company doesn't officially support reselling or transferring them. That means there's no built-in cash out button, and you won't find an official buyback option. Because of that, selling happens outside of Airbnb, through external marketplaces or direct peer-to-peer deals. Keep this in mind so you can choose the route that fits your comfort level and risk tolerance. Let's walk through the basic flow. Start by going to your page on the marketplace or community where you typically sell items. This could be your personal profile or your dedicated selling page. Once you're there, look for the post or listing box. You'll usually see a prompt like "What's on your mind?" or something similar. Click it to begin creating your listing. In your post, be clear and straightforward. State that you're selling an Airbnb gift card, include the face value, and share your asking price. It's normal for buyers to expect a discount off the original value, so set a realistic price that moves the card while still giving you a fair return. Add a brief description of your terms, such as when you'll deliver the code. Keep the code off the listing and out of any photos. Only share it after payment is confirmed. You can also sell peer-to-peer, which simply means dealing directly with another person without a platform in the middle. This route can be faster and more flexible, but it's riskier. Because there's no formal protection, you need to be extra careful with how you communicate and how you handle payment and delivery. Safety is critical. Never send the gift card code before you've actually received payment. If someone pressures you to reveal the code early, walk away. Avoid random buyers who message you on chat apps out of the blue, especially if they try to move the conversation away from your listing. Whenever possible, use trusted platforms that offer basic protections and always check a buyer's reviews or rating history before agreeing to a sale. To wrap up, here's the quick takeaway. You can't cash out Airbnb gift cards inside Airbnb. You can sell them on resale platforms or through peer-to-peer marketplaces. And you should expect to sell at a discount from the card's original value. Follow these steps, stay cautious, and you'll have a smoother, safer sale.